In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Firefox Efficiency Mode on Windows 11 in just a few quick steps. If Firefox has been putting background tabs or processes into a more power-saving mode and you want to turn that off, this guide will help you do it safely using Firefox's advanced configuration settings. This is a simple fix, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox on your Windows 11 PC. Once the browser is open, go up to the address bar at the top and type about config. Then press enter on your keyboard. This page gives you access to advanced Firefox preferences, so it's the place where we can change the setting responsible for this efficiency behavior. Now, Firefox will show you a warning screen telling you that changing advanced settings can affect performance or security. That's completely normal. On this screen, click Accept the risk and continue to move forward. This will take you into the Firefox configuration area where you can search for the setting we need. Once you're inside About Touch Config, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type DOMARM.IT Sheet Process. Priority Manager. Background uses the EcoQoS into that search field. This is the preference that controls whether Firefox uses EcoQoS, which is part of the efficiency and power-saving behavior on Windows 11. If the preference already appears in the list, great. If it does not exist, don't worry. You can create it manually by selecting the plus button, which usually appears as a plus icon. Choose to create it as a Boolean preference, then set the value to false. If the preference is already there, you can simply toggle it or double-click the setting so it changes to false. The important part is making sure this value is turned off. After you've changed the setting, the last step is to restart Firefox. Close the browser completely and open it again so the new preference can take effect. Once Firefox reopens, the efficiency mode behavior should be disabled based on that setting. And that's it. You've now disabled Firefox Efficiency Mode on Windows 11 using About Touch Config. This is a useful tweak if you want more control over how Firefox handles background processing. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick browser and Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.